Assalamualaikum and very good morning to everyone. Welcome back to my video for Mathematics Year 1, and today we are going to enter a new theme which is addition and subtraction, penambahan dan penolakan. Kita skip the topics for problem solving because it is too hard to explain through PDPR. Susah kita nak explain penyelesaian masalah melalui PDPR, jadi saya skip. And kita terus ke topik recognize addition for this theme 2. Dalam bahasa Melayunya, berkenalan dengan penambahan, mengenali penambahan. With me, Cikgu Yusri. Before we going through to our lesson for today, I am going to tell you about our objective. Our objective is to understand the addition concept of any two numbers, untuk memahami konsep penambahan sebarang dua nombor. And our success criteria is pupils can add at least 3 questions of addition of any two numbers correctly. Maksudnya, kriteria kejayaan kita pada hari ini apabila murid boleh menambah sekurang-kurangnya 3 soalan penambahan bagi sebarang dua nombor dengan betul. And in order to do that, I would like you to take your textbook and turn to page 45 and 55 and 59. Turn to page 55 and 59. Actually, page 55 is just for introduction, and let's through to the page 56 and look at the first example. The boys with the yellow shirt in the example said that there are 4 balls in the basket. There are 4 balls in the basket. Terdapat 4 biji bola di dalam bakul. And the boys with the yellow shirt, the blue shirt said that I put 1 more ball. I put 1 more ball. Dia kata, saya letak 1 lagi biji bola. So, how many balls altogether? How many balls altogether? Berapa biji bola kesemuanya? 1, 2, 3, 4, and we add 1 more ball. So, there are 4 balls and 1 ball, make 5 balls altogether. 4 balls and 1 ball makes 5 balls altogether. 4 biji bola dan 1 biji bola menjadikan 5 biji bola kesemuanya. Can you understand that? Look at this picture. Actually, we are combining 2 value of number. 1, 2, 3, 4. We combine it with 1. 4 combined with 1. 4 and 1 makes 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1 box. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 boxes make 5. 4 add 1 make 5. 4 tambah 1 jadi 5. And there are 5 balls altogether. There are 5 balls altogether. Kesemuanya terdapat 5 biji bola kesemuanya. Terdapat 5 biji bola kesemuanya in the end. Right? So, in this slide, we can find out that there are words related to addition, which are and, A-N-D, and, at, A-D-D, at, and another one is all together, A-L-T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R, all together. And maksudnya dan, add is tambah, and all together, the meaning is kesemuanya. Let's turn to page 57 and look at the example, second example. How many cats are there all together? How many cats are there all together? Berapa ekor kucing di sana semuanya? We can see that 3 cats are playing. 1, 2, 3. 3 cats playing with a ball. And suddenly comes 2 more cats are joining them. 1, 2 more cats coming from nowhere comes and joining them. Maksudnya Ada 3 ekor kucing mula-mula bermain. Kemudian datang lagi 2 ekor, join main sekali. So, from 3 and comes more 2, 3 and 2 make 5. 3 dan 2 jadi 5. And 3 add 2 is equal to 5. Read this carefully. This is the number sentence. 3 add 2 is equal to 5. Say after me. 3 add 2 is equal to 5. And the important word that we can found here is make, jadi, and another one is equal to, sama dengan. Actually, this is not related to addition because it is just to make the number sentence. Okay. Let's look further in page 57. Look at this girl. She said that when we add, the number will be more. When we add, the number will be more. Bila kita menambah, nombor akan jadi lebih. Okay, dia akan menjadi lebih, tidak berkurang. Alright. Let's look at the number sentence that I just told you to say after me before. Number sentence. In Malay, kita selesa menyebut dia sebagai ayat matematik. But in English, we call it number sentence. This is number sentence, ayat matematik. 3, and the symbol is add 2, and the symbol is equal to 5. 3, this one is add, 2 is equal to 5. Say after me. 3 add 2 is equal to 5. This is number sentence that we will use for the addition. And there are 5 cats altogether. This one is for rumusan. Okay, and the important word that we learn from this slide is more, M-O-R-E, more. Let's look at the example in page 58. Page 58. Amir has 6 marbles. Amir has 6 marbles. Lau gives another 2 marbles. How many marbles does Amir have altogether? Maksudnya, Amir ada 6 biji guli. Lau gives another 2 marbles. Lau memberikan 2 biji guli lagi. Berapa biji guli yang Amir ada kesemuanya? This is the meaning in Malay. Alright? Now let's look at the number sentence. 6 plus 2 is equal to blank. This is what we are going to find out. Okay, there are 2 methods shown in this book, method 1 and method 2. I'm focusing on this method 1 because method 2 using abacus. I'm not teaching abacus further, just for the introduction, so we just skip this method 2. Let's look at method 1. In this picture, we take 6 marbles at first, and then we combine another 2, and then we count all. Kita kira semua. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we can say that 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. So Amir has 8 marbles altogether. Susah kalau kita nak ajar guna gambar, and biasanya lebih senang untuk mengajar menggunakan objek maujud, objek yang objek sebenar. Alright, so this is marble. Marble is guli here. Okay, Amir has 6 marble. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And Lau have 2 marbles. 1 and 2. So I combine the marbles together, right? Okay, combine 6, combine 2, and let's count how many marbles I have now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 marbles. Right? If you want to learn addition, it is advisable for you. Saya sangat nasihatkan guna benda yang concrete material, benda maujud, benda konkret. Alright? Let's go to the last example in page 58. Example number 4. What is the total number of teddy bear? This picture is teddy bear. What is the total number of teddy bear? So, maksudnya ialah apakah jumlah keseluruhan, total is keseluruhan teddy bear. So, in this basket, there are no teddy bear. No means 0, kosong. At 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 teddy bears in this basket equal to what? So, we can use method 1. We take all the number of teddy bears in this basket and count it all together, and we got 3. So the total number of teddy bear is 3. And the new word for this in this slide is total. T-O-T-A-L. Total yang bermaksud keseluruhan. Okay? So I will summarize what we have learned in this topic, which is recognized addition. We already learned important words that we must remember for addition, which are this is addition, and you must know the symbol. This is the symbol. The words that we must remember are firstly add, A-D-D, add, tambah, and A-N-D, dan, all together, A-L-T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R, all together, kesemuanya, more, M-O-R-E, more, lebih, total, T-O-T-A-L, total, kesemuanya, keseluruhan. Alright? And this is another word that you must remember that are not mentioned in this book, which is plus. P-L-U-S, plus. Maksudnya tambah juga. The another meaning same meaning with add. Plus and add mean the same meaning, which is tambah. And these are the words that you must remember in addition, in learning addition. Then we are also learning about the number sentence. 2 plus 1 equal to 3, or like we learn in this book, 2 add 1 is equal to 3. But I just told you that there are another word yang sama maksud dengan tambah, which is plus. We also can mention that 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 2 plus 1 or add 1 is equal to, yang ini sama dengan, is equal to 3. So we come to the end of our lesson for today, and before I leave, I want you all to do exercises in your activity book, page 69, 70, and 71. Page 69, 70, and 71. Page 69, yes, I will tell you briefly about how to answer question in page 69. Macam mana nak jawab soalan muka surat 69. You just add the picture in that page, tambah saja yang ada dalam gambar tu, and then write the number in the box. Alright, tuliskan dalam kotak yang disediakan total number of the picture. Okay, in page 70, you are going to color the correct word, mewarnakan perkataan yang betul. We just learned all the words related to addition. So you color the words related to addition. Make sure you read the text first. Alright? Baca dulu. And then color the words related to addition in page 70. In page 71, there are two activities in page 71. The activity 1, the first activity, question 1 is you write the symbol plus and equal. The symbol of add, addition and equal. Kamu jawab untuk soalan nombor 1 muka surat 71. Tulis simbol tambah dan sama dengan di dalam ruang, di tempat yang berbentuk bulat tu. Alright? And for question number 2, soalan nombor 2, mereka beri awak, they give you sentence. For example, 3 and 5 make 8. You change it to number sentence. 3 tambah 5 sama dengan 8. Letak simbol tambah dan sama dengan di dalam kotak-kotak yang ada di bawah tu. I hope you understand what I'm telling you. Awak faham apa yang saya beritahu. And that's all for today. Thank you very much for your time. And selamat ber-PDPR di rumah. Stay safe, stay at home, and stay healthy.